Hey Black, isn't it weird we got teleported here? Yeah. It's really bad. Yeah, ever since the previous episode where Funtime Freddy and Bon Bon tried to kill us. Yeah, that's actually kind of bad. It's really bad. Oh my god. It's really bad. Really, really bad. Oh my god. Hey, who the heck are you two? I gotta get my ribbons back. Ugh, oh my god. But anyways, who the heck are you two? I'm Red and this is Blood. Shouldn't I jump scare you? No. We came from another dimension. We teleported here because of stupid Orange. Yeah, I agree. What did you even try to do? I tried to jump scare the night guard, dude. I can give you a dimension travel. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go head back. Bye. Bye. Darn it, my music box is my music box is wine, so I gotta head back. Let's go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to know about my videos. And also, make sure to post some nice comments to me about my animation. Okay, bye now.